Good afternoon. Hi, I'm Tanvir from Therap Global, welcoming you all into our today's live group session. We will discuss about how you can track daily progress notes using TLOG module in Therap Software. We will divide the whole session into two segments. In the first segment, I'll show you and discuss how you can create TLOG using the Therap Software. In the second segment, you can ask me questions regarding today's discussion on TLOG. I will try to address your queries. Now I am going to show you my screen. For using TLOG, first you have to log in. First you have to go to our website www.therapglobal.net. From the right side of the page, top of the corner, you can find login to Therap Global. Click on the. Now I'm going to click on the login to Therap Global link. This is our login page. Our user needs to enter his login name, password, and provider code. Now I am going to enter my login name, password. The provider code is already selected. Now I'm going to click on the login button. The page currently we are seeing, we call it dashboard. The options on the left side, we call these tabs. For using the TLOG module, you need to click on the individual tab. So I'm going to click on the individual tab. The case section, you can see TLOG. For creating new TLOG, you need to click on the new link. Now I'm going to do so. A new page has been opened. Now we have to select the program for TLOG. I'm selecting a program from here. Now a new page has been opened, titled as individual list. From you can find the list of the individuals assigned or enrolled in this program. So I am going to select Jamil Ahmed as an individual to create his TLOG. Clicking on the individual names, a new page has opened, named as TLOG new. That means this TLOG has not yet been submitted. So let me give a brief idea what can you do or what can you document using the TLOG software. In the TLOG module or with the TLOG module, things like daily notes and communications are documented. That means you can create TLOG for documenting or tracking individual daily progress or daily things he or she may conduct within your school or at the time or in a specific if an individual do or finishes a specific task or any kind of incident related to the individual on daily basis, you can put those information here and you can document this. The TLOG module will provide you what the person or the individual is doing in daily basis, or any incidents linked with the individuals can be documented with the TLog module. So the interface you are now seeing is the TLog. If you see that the individual name is here, here the individual is Jamil Ahmed. His program name is mentioned here. There are other options or boxes here to enter information. If we look into this, there is type, their notification level, summary and description. Besides, there are other options here to enter or attach information about the individual. For creating TLog, you need to give a summary or give a title of the TLog. The types are based on the summary of the TLog. In the type of section, there are 6 options: health, notes, follow-up, behavior, contacts, and general. If you write a TLog about medical or hospital related information, you can select the type as health. There are other 2 options, notes and general. If you select notes or general as the type of your TLog, that means regular or general incident or daily incident that has been occurred in your schools or agency. You can put the information, or you can document the information, and that type of documentation can be selected as notes or general. You can select on both the options, but you need to select the options according to your needs. We pretty much use notes and general, these 2 options interchangeably. There is another type, follow-up. You can use it for follow-up updates about an incident. And then there is the option of behavior. It is used for summarize to behavior related information. And there is another option mentioned as here as contacts. You can use it for an administrative or any contacts related in TLog you want to document. Then there is the notification level. The default notification level is here low. You can select low, medium, high according to your needs. Now I am going to show you how you can enter information in these sections and submit your TLog. Let's say Jamil Ahmed has a drawing class in his school. So in the drawing class, he has drawn some beautiful pictures. So we can document those information here. So in the in the summary section, I am going to enter drawing. Then I am going to select the types as notes and general. I am using the notification level as medium. You can select according to your needs. Then I am going to write a description about the incident, about the drawing he has finished in his class. He has drawn some beautiful pictures in today's class. He also used color pencil for his drawing. Colored the pictures So I have written a description here. He has drawn some beautiful pictures in today's class. He also used color pencil for drawing and colored the pictures well. Under the description box, there are more options. Time in, time out. I'm going to select his class time. For instance, his class started at 9 a.m. and it continued until 10 a.m. That means in the drawing class, which started at 9 a.m. and continued to 10 a.m. in this period, Jamil drawn some beautiful pictures. There is another option under the time in, is called reporter. If someone other than you reports about the incident of the T-log you are going to create, then you can use the reporter name, and you can select the time when the incident was reported. For instance, Mr. Hamid was the teacher, reported about the incident. I'm selecting his name. I'm selecting the date. And the time of the incident. You can select it from the calendar icon. You can select, for instance, let's presume that he has informed me the information around 11:30. After selecting the reporter and the reported on, if we want, we can add file, add image if it is necessary. So again, we are going to top of the page. Here you can find individual name, program name. You see register around the type section. That means you must select the options from here, otherwise the T-log will not be submitted successfully. The default notification is always presented as low. You need to select your notification level according to your needs. Then you must enter the summary or write the summary here, and summary option is mandatory because register is here. And then what a user need to do, that he or she needs to enter description about the event. I have look in the bottom of the page. if we look in the button, we will find three options: cancel, back, and submit. For submitting the T-log, you need to click on the submit button. The submit button will send the T-logs for the rest of the teachers or administrators with proper access to view the T-logs. So if you are done with the necessary information with the mandatory information, you can select the submit button. Now I'm going to click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, a successful message has presented mentioning that T-log has been successfully submitted. From the if we click on the form link, it will take back us to the T-log we have just created. I'm clicking on the form link. Now you are seeing the heading T-log submitted. In this section, the T-log that I have submitted is presented. Under this information, there is a section called follow-up. There is a section titled as follow-up. If we want more information or add follow-up of the incident, we can click on the follow-up button and can add the follow-up. I'm now going to click on the add follow-up button. When you click on the follow-up button, the type, notification label, and summary is selected. You can add description about the follow-up incident. For instance, I'm typing he helped his friend Sumit to color his pictures. That means after finishing his task or his pictures, the individual Jamil Ahmed helped his friend Sumit to color his pictures. Then you can click on the submit button to submit the T-log. A successfully submitted message has been presented here. If we want to see the T-log or back to the T-log, we need to click on the form. From here, the T-log we first created and the follow-up messages are shown here. If we click on the drawing link from here, the interface has been opened and what we have written or what we have documented as T-log before the follow-up has been presented here. You can see it. And if you click the drawing link from here, you will see the follow-up T-log from this window. You can also save the T-log in PDF formats. Clicking on the PDF, you can, if you click on the PDF link, you can save the information. So you can store the information in PDF format and print those if think it is necessary. So please note that when you are going to document or create a new T-log, you must enter the mandatory of you must enter information in the mandatory section marked in the red star. Then you will click the submit button to create your T-log. If you want to see the T-log, if you want to search your T-log or see the T-log, those you have previously documented or created, you need to go to the dashboard, then click on the individual link, then click on the search link beside T-log. A new window has been opened, a new interface has been presented. From here, you can select the individual name. Clicking the first three letters of the name will present you the name. Jamil Ahmed. So we are selecting the username Jamil Ahmed. Then from this section, you need to select the creation date. For instance, I am selecting July 1 as the create date from. Then I'm going to click on the search button. It will show us all the T-logs have been created in this period. If we click on the T-log we want to see, for instance, this T-log, you need to click on the T-log, then you can see the submitted T-log from this window. If you want to edit or update the information previously inputted, then you can select the update button from the bottom of the page. If we click on the update button, then you can edit the information boxes. Clicking on the back button will take back to us T-log search page. If you want to see another T-log about the person, about the individual, then the T-log will be presented in this window. Such as in the bottom of the page, you will see the next button. If you click on the next, you will find the next T-log the next T-log which was previously submitted. Clicking on the next will take you to the next T-log. You can select the previous T-log to see the previous documented information. So I have presented how you can create T-logs using the T-log module. Now I'm going to take your questions. You can place a question to me. I will try to address those. For asking question, you need to select the hand icon from your window. Then I will unmute you and you can present your question. So if you haven't understand the process, or if you have any questions which have been noted down by you, you can present those questions to us. Well, that means you have understood the process of creating T-log. So we can hope that you can create T-log from your own, and you will use the T-log module on daily basis. If you go back to our website, there are guides, user guides, training videos, where you can find information about T-log. You can select the guides. You can from here you can see the guides in English. If you click on the view guides link, you will find the user guides. Create T-log with individual, create T-log without individual. You can see these things. You can see the user guides and learn about creating T-log. If you face any problem on creating T-log, you can use these guides or the training videos. Our team has created this video for you better understanding of the different modules of the Therap system. You can see the T-log video from here and learn about the process of creating or updating T-logs. So I think that's all from my end. I have shown you the process how you can create T-log. We hope from Therap Global team, we hope that you will use it and find it necessary for your agencies or schools, and will use the T-log module regularly. We are currently conducting a live group session or webinar in weekly basis. From the online group session page, you can register for the next session. Goodbye, and inviting you for attending next webinar. Thank you all.